Hello my friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here today to put these pockets in that we made last time we worked on Raggedy Ann, which was just probably a couple days ago. So yeah, I have a little plan here, so I wanted to go ahead and get this done. This is probably going to be a short video because I'm just doing a little crafting before work today. But yeah, let's see what we can do. What I want to do is glue these in. So I've got my Fabri-Tac here, and we made these nice pockets, nice library pockets in the last video. So, and I really like how I just love these craft cardstock library pockets. So I'm going to glue them right down. One inside the front cover, one inside the back cover. So let's get them nice and secure here, and I even have a library card in this one, so that's cool. I took it from the one that, it was in the one that I was using as a template that I got at a thrift store that was, I believe, commercially made, and I already had a library card in it, so I just took that out and put it in here. Brand new library card for someone to decorate and do what they want. Right on. Has lines on both sides. It's very thick cardstock too. Very nice. Just looking at the branding there on the bottom, a little brand name. Okay, so there's that. So I pulled out, well, I have a scrap from this, from this paper. So I want to put a piece of this on here next. So I'm going to cut a piece. Let me get my paper cutter back over here. One for the front and one for the back. This one I actually cut for the front because it's the front pocket is slightly narrower than the back pocket. So I thought this would fit nicely on the front. So let's cut that. Let's see. That'll go right there. And then let's see how I can do this without making too many more scraps here. I'd like to cut a piece to go back here too. I like this little bit of hearts there though. Maybe I can keep that and put it this way. That would be all right. Yep. So I can make a couple of cuts on this one, so about right there. And now it's going to be a little bit too tall. So let's cut a little bit more off. Is that too wide? No, that's good. Covers most of it. And I'm not trying to cover I'm trying to cover most of it, but I wanted to leave a little border, and it has a slight little border here. In fact, I might cut a little bit more off of the width. Okay, so now let's concentrate on the height here. So I'm going to make a little piece off right there. Okay. Like I said, a little bit sliver off the width. Okay, let's see how that fits. Yes. A little bit more off the, this is just a slicer and dicer on this one. A little bit more off the top there. And I think I'll be happy with that. Yes. Okay, let's glue those down. I've been wanting to come in here and do this for a couple of days, and I haven't been able to get in here. Just been busy whenever I got home from work at night and busy in the morning with a few extra things besides just getting ready. My time was gone. So let's get this. I like these hearts. That's what I was trying to use the pieces off that strip with these hearts. It matches the hearts, of course, in the color. It's from this paper, but I'm just saying that's my favorite part of this piece of paper is these hearts right here. They're just so pretty. so I've got that. And then I have some trim here to put on the pockets too. That I think will be super pretty and fun. Let's get this piece down. Let me move this. I don't think I need this anymore at the moment. I'm just gluing these down. Alright. So I'm basically just decorating these little library pockets today. And then it might be about time for me to go get ready for work. Oops, I made that one crooked. I moved it. Get back down there. Okay. Now, the trim, I pulled this trim out. It's had this little piece here that I got at a thrift store, I believe. And so I want to cut and put a piece across the top right here. It's red, so it matches the color scheme going on here. And so I'm going to cut a piece. Well, it fits on there perfectly. If I cut right there, I believe that'll be good. And get my sharp scissors here. And did I cut that straight? Yep, I think I did all right there. Now, let me get glue in the... Let me see if this has a front and back. Make sure which side. I think this is the front. It does look different on that side, so I think this is the front. So, yeah, I just want to make sure I glue down the right side. So I'm going to go across here. All right. And then this will go right here. Isn't that cute? And someone can still put something on here if they want a little label or a word or something. I think I'm going to leave it like this and then let the person that gets this journal take it from there. But, see, very nice. Everything's working. So let's do this one. All right, another piece here. I guess it doesn't matter which way I cut it. I just have to turn it around when I glue it down because I believe this is the back. Okay, so I was able to keep the little scallop pieces even here. I didn't have to cut one in half. That's good. I've got a little string here. That'll let me cut that off without cutting off the trim. There we go. Okay, so this is the front. This is the back. So I'll be gluing it down this way. So let's put some glue on this piece, this pocket. It's almost hard to see where it starts and stops because it's blending in. The top is blending with the bottom. Yep, I'm doing it right. Alright, so there we go. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I hadn't planned on using that trim there, but then when I came to decorating these pockets, I was like, let me see what this looks like, and it was just so perfect. Isn't that cute? I love it. So, yep, we're coming along here, just little by little. But I think that's, I probably should stop there. If I don't, I'll be making this video too long and I'll make myself late for work. So anyway, there's the pockets now they're in. Next step, I would say, is some pages. So I will start getting those together and I'll come back to work on those with you. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.